Hi, I found today's video to be really interesting. I thought it was cool kind of how she was talking about memes and what makes them popular and things like that. It's not something that you often take the time to really think about, but it's something that definitely those of us going into public relations and especially advertising need to know so we know how to kind of target our audiences and know what will go viral and things like that. So I thought it was really cool just in general hearing her talk about it. I also appreciated that she said that memes were not created with the internet, but that memes existed long before the internet, because that was something I definitely did not know, and I thought that memes kind of came on with the foundation of social networking and online media. So I thought that was really interesting perspective that I wouldn't have had otherwise. I also really appreciated that she explained the 6 P's of what makes something go viral so that you can really know what makes something successful and keep that in mind when you're coming up with your marketing campaign. I really appreciated the comparison to Coney 2012, because I remember when that happened. I was a freshman in college and it was everywhere, Coney 2012. I mean, there were just posts and posts and posts and posts and posts. So I definitely clicked immediately when she said there are certain factors that make things go viral and other things not. And Coney 2012 definitely was an example of that, because almost everyone was sharing and talking about that. And, it's like what made that different than other causes and things like that. So I thought that was a really good point. I also appreciated when she mentioned positivity and how people are more likely to share positive memes, because a lot of the memes that I see they're not necessarily not positive. They're just more kind of funny or kind of satirical type thing, where it's like, someone's face and, it has like a smart comment about being stressed or something like that. So they're not necessarily like happy-go-lucky, but they do make you laugh because they're so accurate about how someone feels about a certain situation in life. So I think that that's like a cool kind of comparison to make, that like while it might seem kind of neutral or negative, given that it makes you laugh, it actually has a positive influence, and that also ties into the kind of persuasion and like influence on emotion. So I thought that was really cool, and I look forward to the class discussion tomorrow.